I'm at the 2016 Vendor Showcase. We're playing a little game called What's My Line? What's my name? What's my line? So, introduce yourself.
Alper Mazler from
And
BASSG.
that's right. So, truth, or is he telling the truth or not? We'll have to find out. He's going to tell us a little bit what he does, and you, as the audience, can give him a thumbs up. All right. So, Alper, good to see you again, brother. Tell us a little bit about what you guys are up to, man.
We are working on Edge Analytics controller. It is based on Sedona. It has SkySpark and a Visuallytic visualization engine built into the controller.
So tell our viewers out there in the Control Trends land a little bit about why it's so important to have an edge type device. We're always hearing cloud, and you guys are coming up with an edge device.
Yeah, we work with a lot of commissioning agents, and most of their problem is getting good data. And the only way to get good data is retain them on the edge, and this will serve that for their needs.
Well, very, very cool. And you guys do a lot of other stuff too, so I want you to show me the new controller, but before we do that, talk a bit about what you guys do.
We are OEM of Tridium. We are OEM of SkySpark now and a distributor of SkySpark. And we write applications in both of the platforms with different applications.
What makes you guys unique?
We listen to our customers' needs.
When you were when we talked to Ken Sinclair from AutomatedBuildings.com, we talked about the young guns and attracting young talent into our industry. And Ken made a point of telling us the original young gun is Alper. So
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're still young, aren't you?
34.
You didn't make you don't make the cutoff, man. You're middle aged now.
Yeah, I am. But I've been here for a long time now.
You have. You're doing some great stuff. Well, listen, you got a few minutes you can show us the Edge controller?
Absolutely. This is the Edge Analytics controller. It has a 1 gigahertz processor, 512 RAM, and 4 gig flash disk space with 1.9 usable for the user. There's 4 different versions of the EAC device. There's EAC 4.4, 510, and 916 with different inputs and outputs, and there's also a VAV one. We have a Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection to the devices, and we have an application called Visuallytic built into the SkySpark Sedona and SkySpark, and we have Visuallytic on top of that. So this is the Visuallytic's main screen, and what we have is this screen is created with block programming with HTML5. So you go to edit mode and you go to add. Within the GUI you can add all the widgets, and within logic you can actually create all the haystack logic blocks to make the data calls to the SkySpark database. So this is all built into the system, and within the EAC device it is quite fast. So we're making a data call for 2 years of data within the Edge device, and it is able to roll up the data and show it to us from the screen. We will demonstrate a rooftop unit, so you can create all the graphics right within here, and we have things like super widgets, and that could be you could learn about that on our website. And from the R2U2, you can right-click and turn it on, and the fan will turn on, and text will turn into running, and the text will turn into, the background will turn into green color. We have other features like DVR feature that's very flexible. Within the DVR feature, what you can do is you can create your old block programming, and you can select a previous state, hit play, and go to fast mode, and it will actually play back the data right on the widgets as well. Another feature is the widget-to-widget interaction within the charts. So what we can do here is that we can have a pie chart. When you select an item, it will actually filter the bars at the bottom. So it's actually interacting with the bar charts. And again, all of this programming is done within the browser and with block programming right within the system. Another feature that we have is that all of our graphics scales automatically to fit in mobile systems. So you can actually go, and if you make it smaller within the width, they do scale so that it would fit in your mobile or tablet applications. So this is Visuallytic that sits right on the EAC device, and you can store a lot of data. For 20 points, you can store around 100 years of data right within the device itself. Thanks for watching.
So Alper, that is very, very impressive. So if people want to get more information on this, what's the best way to contact you guys?
Our website is bassg.com, or if they want to hear about the Edge Analytics controller, the website is eac.io.
Check him out. Alper, man, good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you.